and I know I look kind of weird, I probably sound kind of weird. It's because my sinuses are draining. So excuse me if I sound weird or different, or I sound down, and it's nothing. I'm happy. I'm not down. I'm not nothing. It's literally because I low-key don't feel good. But I gotta make this video. I gotta make these videos for y'all, so that don't matter. Hey, what's up, DipaGang? So today I am back with another video, and as you all can tell by the title, today I will be showing you all how I created this beautiful Louis Vuitton wall. Just continue watching the video and you will see how I created this beautiful, lovely wall and what all I use and exactly how I did it. This is a fully detailed video on how to make an LV wall, so just continue watching. So I'm trying to accomplish like this little Louis Vuitton wall, and I'm trying to put it like in this area right here. I don't know if y'all can see me, but like on this wall right here, because this wall is just plain and basic. So I'm basically finna show y'all what I have so far. So you guys, I'm excited to do this, honestly. But last night I basically went on Google and I printed out like the LV symbols and like the flowers. I have more of them, but you know, they like all right here. I printed those out, and yesterday I went to Hobby Lobby and got some vinyl. So I got black and I got the pink one, and I chose to do vinyl because vinyl is like a sticker. So if I get bored or get tired of my room like I normally do, I can literally just take this pillow sticker off and I'll be done with it. And I really didn't waste no money or whatever. But I got 2 pink vinyls and 2 black vinyls. So yes, I did not use all of the supplies that I did mention in the video. I only needed 2 of the black vinyls and 1 pink. So yes, you guys, and the total was $19.22. It was actually $17.96, but of course where I stay at, the taxes are higher out here. I don't want to explain the prices, I want to show y'all the prices instead, but y'all will see in a couple minutes. And right now I'm going to cut out the stencils, the paper stencils first. So y'all are gonna see me do that process, and then y'all gonna see me do the rest of it. I am finally finished cutting out the logos, and of course they're flimsy because you know it's paper. That's why the next step is one of the most important steps. So this is how it look. I still have to cut out like the white, like the, you know, the white piece or whatever, but yeah. So I'm finna do that real quick. I'm not gonna do it on camera because y'all already seen me cut. So this is one of the LV symbols that I traced out. I decided to go with a paper stencil because it was easier for me, and to hold it down and keep the stencil in place, as you can see, I used tape on the back so that it would stay in place as I traced the LV symbol. And I used a mechanical pencil instead of a pen because I didn't want the smudginess. It really wasn't clear earlier, but this is the LV symbol that I cut out earlier, and I'm basically about to show y'all how I lay it down onto the vinyl paper so I can start to trace it. So I end up changing the angle so you all can see how I actually trace the LV flowers. And this is the first one, but I will be showing you the other 2 flowers also. So please continue to watch and enjoy. So now I'm going to start working on the circle part of the LV flower. So I'm going to take a water bottle cap, as you all can see, to create this circle. So I'm going to make sure that they resemble each other, and then I'm going to start creating the circle in the inside. So for the second flower, I'm going to start working on the inside. So I made a second copy of the inside part, and basically I'm going to center it and make sure it's down flat as I need it. And then I'm going to begin tracing with my mechanical pencil. So now that I'm done, I'm going to begin to work on the circle inside of the flower. So I'm taking my water bottle cap again to make sure that it fits the circle inside of the flower. So now that I know that it fits, I will begin to create a circle with my mechanical pencil inside of the flower. So now we're moving on to the last shape. So basically I made a copy of this one that I just pointed to, and I just cut it out the little white part so that I could start creating the inside of this shape. So I'm pasting it down flatly, and I'm going to start tracing with my mechanical pencil once again. So now that we're done, I'm going to start on the circular part of this shape. So I'm going to take an X4 marker, the bottom of it, to create this circle for this shape. So this shape circle is a little bit smaller than the original circle that you saw on the other shapes. So that is why I'm using an X4 marker. So you guys, I am finally done tracing the stencils, and this is an overview of how the stencils look once I am completely done tracing all of them. So I am finally back, and I know that I look freaking crazy, but look here, it is like 8, like almost 30 at nighttime. So yeah, I'm sorry, but basically, as y'all can see, I basically put the LV on the wall, and I got it where I want to. So now I'm about to start on the wall, I guess. That look good so far, and I'm not even done. Like, wanted to make a disclaimer. This is my first time ever doing this, so don't come for me if you know it ain't perfect or whatever, because nothing in this world is perfect. I hope y'all know that. And if it's crooked, y'all, it don't matter, because I like it. Like, I think it look pretty good. But let's get back to the video. So you guys, I just put a brand new LV on, but I forgot to film and show y'all me actually putting it on. I apologize about that. But the other ones that you didn't see me get to put on, I will most definitely show you. Even though it's fully not completed yet, it just looks good. Like, I'm glad I chose the colors I chose, and I chose to do this because it was really fun to do and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching.